YouTube channel art. Matching profile picture. If you're looking to create channel art and you want a matching profile picture and you want something to do most of the work for you, then stick around. This app and desktop application can help you create your YouTube channel art and matching profile picture. If you're new here and you like videos like this one and videos on YouTube tips and the best apps to help you get online with video, then consider subscribing and hit the bell icon and you will get notified as soon as I release new videos. Let's not waste any time, let's dive straight in. This app's very simple to use, it's called PFP Maker.
Open up PFP Maker on your laptop or your mobile device. Press the large green button. Select a photo that you want to use as your profile picture. It will generate your profile pictures for you. You can select from any of these profile pictures here. At the very top, you can then adjust the image, you can adjust the color, you can also add a shadow to the background of your picture. PFP Maker will, as you can see, will automatically cut out the background for you. After you've adjusted your profile picture, you can now select a matching background which you can use as your YouTube channel art. You can select the matching pair. You can also adjust the colors of any of the profile pictures and its matching background. Once you've selected that, you can then download it to your device. Once it's on your device, if you want to make some changes to your YouTube channel art, then you can go into an app called PhotoP, or PhotoP as some people say. You can go into there and then make some adjustments. PhotoP is free. I've made a video on it. A link to that is in the card above and in the description below. And then you can make any adjustments to it. But what you will have a profile picture with a matching background, which you can use as your YouTube channel art.
I hope you found this video interesting and informative. I'm going to be bringing more videos just like this one. Videos on YouTube tips, the best apps to help you get online with video, and also how you can make money online. So consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, and you'll get notified as soon as I release new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.